Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today I'm diving into something seriously cool. Zipline's Platform 2 or P2 drone delivery system that's set to revolutionize how we get our packages. So, how does the P2 work? Imagine a large drone hovering high above your neighborhood. This drone isn't just carrying your package, it's got a little helper. A smaller delivery droid that's lowered on a tether. This droid is equipped with sensors and thrusters, allowing it to navigate precisely to your doorstep, your patio, or even a small table outside. Once the package is delivered, the droid returns to the drone, which then zooms off to its next delivery. Pretty neat, right? Now let's talk features. Speed. The P2 can deliver packages up to 7 times faster than traditional car deliveries. Imagine ordering something and getting it almost instantly. Range. This system can fly up to 24 miles in one trip, with a service radius of 10 miles. That's some serious distance. It can carry up to 8 pounds or about 3.6 kilograms, so it's not just for lightweight stuff. The drone flies at around 300 feet or 90 meters, making it both efficient and less likely to be a nuisance. Speaking of nuisances, it's designed to be quieter than cars and trucks. Less noise, more peace. Precision is key here. The P2 can deliver to areas as small as a patio table or the front steps of a home. And for businesses, loading orders into the P2 is a breeze. No special packaging or training required. Just load it up and let the P2 handle the rest. Zipline's P2 is not just a leap forward in drone technology, it's a game changer for delivery systems. Faster, quieter, and incredibly precise. If you're as excited as I am about the future of delivery tech, smash that like button and subscribe for more tech insights. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.